Hi, good afternoon, class. So we're continuing to touch 5 or 2.5. This is involving solving equations with involving absolute value. Okay, so we went ahead and did this a couple of days ago. Okay, we evaluate. This is evaluating it. So what we did is we substituted what the letter is. So in this case, it was 3. So we substituted in there and we solved. This was fairly easy. And then another example we did was this one where we have two cases, okay? Two cases where you have to set it equal to a negative or you have to set it equal to a positive. Here's a negative, here's a positive, solve, you get two answers, okay? And when you graph it, you're actually going to get two answers. So those two answers make this equation equal, okay? It makes it true, okay? That's what we're doing. And then on this example over here, we actually went from graphing it to actually making an equation. And there was a little bit of confusion on this. Okay, you just got to remember wherever the halfway point is, okay, for example, in this one, the halfway point is 1. And since it's a positive, you're going to subtract it. And however many units they're far away from each other. For example, this one's 3. That's what you're going to set it equal to. And then you check your answer. Always check it to make sure that it is what it is. Okay? All right, now let's go ahead and go on to the actual answers for this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the answers for 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So if you guys have them, double check them, make sure that they are correct. Okay. All right, so here's your answer for number 1 and number 2 here. Okay, so for number 1, the answer is 2. For number 2, the answer is 10. All right, for number 5, your answer is W equals 4 or W equals negative 6. If you check them and put them back in there, you're going to see that they equal 5. Okay. Just don't forget to actually plot it on here. So this is 4 and this is negative 6. Just don't forget to do that. That's it. Okay. For number 7, n equals negative 3 and an n equals 1, negative 1 as well. Negative 3 and negative 1. Don't forget to plot them. Number 9, W equals 4 and W equals 0. And then number 11 and number 13. So if you see right here, the distance to the middle is 1. It's 1. So that distance is 1, so we put it equal to 1. And since it's the middle point is 0, you put it at 0. So 0 is gone, so we just leave it as the absolute value of x equals 1. So this is your equation. And then for number 13, the distance is also 1. And the distance is also 1. That's halfway. So the distance is 1, so you put it a 1 here. And then since the middle distance is at 0.4, we do x minus 4. Not x plus 4. X minus 4, because when you plug it in here, it makes it 0. Okay, and now when you check your answers, if you were to plug in 3 in here and 5 in here, you're going to get 1. Okay, now go ahead and do the rest of the problems, guys. So the rest of the problems are 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And then after this, you're going to go ahead and do the quizzes for this assignment. All right, let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys.